Yeah, so welcome back, guys. This is Madhav PVL, and today we are going to see this topic, a generic process model. So basically, generic process model is nothing but which follows some certain principles like umbrella activities and framework activities, and then process framework, and then software process, and it will be a zone to zone process. We can just say like after processing a software, it will just process the framework. So framework is the front end development, and then umbrella activities such as software project tracking and control, risk management, software availability assurance, technical reviews. So all this will be done in this umbrella activities, and then framework activity is nothing but revising the whole thing in this process framework. And then SCA action 1 is nothing but this is an action 1 toolbar. So we can just keep this aside. If you just watch the PPT which was given by our college, you will just get some clarity. Now we will just discuss few things. So first one is the process flow. So how the framework activities, action tasks occur within each framework activity. So process flow is nothing but it need to follow a step by step process, right? So from software to process framework, and then umbrella activities, and then framework activities, then it will just give its first action. So process flow is nothing but a step by step actions, tasks which occur within each framework activity. So we can just say like a linear process flow, and then iterative process flow, and then evolutionary process flow, and then parallel process flow. The first one is the linear process flow. The linear is once if the first thing is completed, then it will just get into the next one. So the next one is completed, then it will just go in a sequence order in this linear form. So the second one is the iterative process. So iterative is nothing but it will just reach the second step, and if the person or a client who is not satisfied in this second step, so again they will start from the first step. So it will be in an iterative mode, so we can't just assume, or we can't just expect its end. So it may just end at any time, at any place. So evolutionary process model is nothing but it will just create a loop. We can just say like it will just work on same thing, but basically it will just work on a single loop. So it will just divide things, and then it will just work in a loop. We can just say like a group discussion. So it will be done with the help of a group. It doesn't require any proper explanation. So parallel process flow is nothing but simultaneously a single task will be done with a group of elements, with a group of people. We can just say parallel processing is nothing but the work which is done by splitting up things. So splitting up things and working on a same process is known as a parallel process flow. So basically identifying a task set, it defines the actual work to be done to accomplish the objectives of a software. So identifying a task set is nothing but identifying a proper problem. So if we need to just work on something, then we need to just get that application, right? So we need to just get that whole thing to just work on it. So a list of tasks is to be accomplished. So I need to just develop a web application based on this situation. I need to just make sure that the situation is perfect for developing something. So a list of work products are to be produced, and then a list of quality assurance filters are to be applied. So identifying a task set is a main important factor in creating a particular we can just say like a model. So for creating a particular application. So perspective process model. So it is a model that describes how to do according to a certain software process system, how a new software system should be developed. So we can just say like the models are the waterfall model, and then incremental model, and then evolutionary process model, and then concurrent model. So we'll just discuss in this upcoming video. So till here I think this is fine. So this is a very basic concept of if we are just entering into this process model, generic process model. So in the next upcoming videos we will discuss about the perspective process model. I think you might have got some idea after watching those videos. So please subscribe to Works After College, guys. Thanks for watching.